It's our fucking.
It's our fucking wedding day. Yeah, so we're gonna get married today. Today is June what?
June 18,
June-
2016.
Yeah, 2016?
I was
2026.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where are you going na?
Yeah, so today is the day. So we're gonna go down to the mayor's office and get married. We've been waiting for this, both of us, for a while. We're gonna do it when we built the first house, but then we decided to wait. We built the second house. So now that the house is built and we're into the second house now, it's time for us to get married. You know, I've been with Rose for a long, long time, and you know what? She's a good girl, man. I couldn't ask for a better best friend, companion, lover, confidant. She supports me. You know, I'll tell you, you know, with all marriages, everything is not perfect, but damn, is it close. She's a good girl. I'm lucky to have her. You know, lucky to have the family that I have too here. You know, I wish my family was here to enjoy this special occasion day with us, but of course they're on the other side of the world, so you can't. But so we're gonna go today at 8 o'clock, and then we were going to video that also, so that'll be part of this. So, what do you have to say to all your family?
What?
What? Okay, that's what she has to say to your family.
What is
to,
it?
to your family. What? Yeah. Yep. So, yep. We're gonna get dressed, and you can see I got my tie. I got my white shirt, my black tie, black pants, black socks. And then the only way to get married here in the Philippines is not with dress shoes, but with a brand new pair of frickin' shiny Crocs. That's what I'm gonna be wearing to the wedding today, Crocs. I mean, I am styling, guys. That's what it's all about. So there's her little dress. She does have a wedding dress. This is just for the mayor's office right now.
I think so.
Yeah, so this is just to get married, and we're gonna have a big party next month. You will see that on Facebook or on YouTube also. Yep.
Party da!
Party! So we need do some more finishing at the house here, and then so that'll be next month hopefully. Okay, so. You say when?
Done.
All right. Well, baby, where are we going? Where are we going, baby? We're going to the municipalities to do what? To do the what? To get married? Well, today's the day. June 18th, 2026. 8:30 in the morning. We're heading down. Finally, after 5 years, she's locking my ass in, guys. So, yeah, a beautiful June bride. I tell you, it took 5 years, man. But we made sure this was right for us. You know, and I promised her that if, you know, everything went good with us, that we would get married. And we were talking today and this morning, and told her I have never broke one of my promises to her. This was the last promise that I told her when I asked her to marry me years ago. And I told her if everything went good after we got the house built, and we got the first house built, and decided that that wasn't where we wanted to be. So we built the second house now. So now that it's built, we are going to get married. Commit suicide. Yeah, so everybody knows, this will be my third time getting married. So, my very first time, I have 2 biological children, and then second time was a rebound marriage, which was, you know, because of my first marriage, my mistake. Second marriage was my mistake. I'll say that right now. This one, I was a little more cautious on. I waited, you know, a long time to make sure she was the right girl for me. You know, because being in a different country with the lifestyle
na, Gina?
There's Gina, one of our witnesses. And my daughter's here, my adopted daughter's here, and her mother's here. Looks like everything's going good. So keep it rolling, girl. All right, so we are now here in Darwin. I'll take the phone with me. All right. Shall we roll, baby? Okay.
Bakit sila? Una, sila, una.
5 years, huh?
Sila, una.
Get all the paperwork right.
Now finally you're inside the kids.
Yeah, it took 5 years to get everything straightened out, get paperwork done, get it all locked in. This was my last promise that I told her. You know what I mean? The house, everything.
Yeah.
Never broke wrong.
Your last promise.
No, it's a funeral. This is good. I got some bad news today too. Remember my brother? I woke up to that this morning. Yeah, I was like, look at how beautiful. Yeah, sit down. They couldn't have put an air conditioner or a fan. They gotta let us sweat.
Before I sit in the middle.
Yeah. So here you go. Thank you. See?
Wow.
Yeah, and that's real. Just so you guys know. It's white gold. Beautiful diamond. It's the real thing, man. Whew. My daughter's running the fan on me. So you ready, honey? You sure you don't want to run? Ready, daughter?
Kira ka tapi? There
Here, baby. You need it? Where's the other ring? Oh, you had your engagement ring on. Okay. You need to put it on. Yeah. Help! Help! Save me! On the bottom of my shoes it says help me. So when you kneel down, you put your feet up. On one shoe it says help me. I did that when my first marriage. We were in the church. My brother-in-law Bill, bless his soul, he passed away.
So
We put help me on the bottom of my soles of my shoes. It said help me. So when I kneeled down, everybody in the church started laughing because it said that on the bottom of my
Help me.
shoes. Help me. I thought it was great.
Dili mo gawas ng mayor?
He's probably gonna come through that door.
Wala. Okay na. Basta i-focus lang nila ni Tim.
Focus na na ilang.
Oo, focus lang nila.
Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ready? Everything's ready? Yeah. Definitely ready. Ano na naman ba? Okay. Ballpen. Sorry.
Figured you were gonna come walking in that door. That's why we had a word about
Oh, I see.
settled.
Very good. That's a very good idea. Where are you from, sir?
U.S. Michigan.
Wow. US. Ma'am, from Darwin. Darwin. Saan barangay? Saan barangay ta?
Kasilis.
Oh, Kasili.
Before Tugawi me.
Before Tugawe.
Mayor.
Oh, okay. How do you pronounce your name, sir?
Timothy Gush.
Timothy.
Timothy, yeah.
Timothy.
Yeah.
Michael Gush.
Yes.
Okay. Sige.
Cowboy.
Oh, nice. Nice note, ha?
I said, Cowboy, you take this girl.
You're so funny, sir.
Cowboy and Dragon Lady.
Ganaw tayo. Di maboring si ma'am. So, mga tag-ballpen son para ready na. Okay. Do we still have any person that we need to wait or
No.
no more? Okay. Meron ako doon son.
Yeah.
Can you please check your details before we start?
We can ask, you don't mind if we record this, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay,
It's
I
fine.
should have asked you for permission.
Yeah.
Yes, always.
Actually, I was the one who always asked for the couple if there's somebody to document the wedding.
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah.
so this is a good initiative.
Yeah. Okay, good, good.
Son. So, dilipat. Ang dilipat. Tingnan ko mo sa ilagay dito. Ayun din. Dito sa hindi. Kadala ganyan. Eh, mula ka umanta. Diretso. Ako milik sa Pitolyo. Sir. Na ako'y tulong ang kasal pa ng Bentag. Pasko alas na yun sa Kapitolyo.
Busy ka po.
Yeah, that's correct.
Kaya orientation din is kuhaan. Balik-balik na po. Masok madali na po ito dito. So, all the
Yes.
details are correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, shall we start?
Yes.
Is the camera already recording?
Check that.
Okay. Check. Okay. Okay. Let us stand. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Especially to the parents of the groom and the bride, if both parents are here. The witnesses for the most important event, that is witnessing the marriage of Timothy Michael Bush and Rosel Rafales Olamina. Your support to the decisions they have made to enter into marriage is an important thing that will give them strength and guidance towards loving each other till the end of their lives. Marriage is a commitment. The success of marriage is not based on the current feelings they have. Right now, Timothy and Rosel want to just get married. But most importantly, please remember that marriage is a lifetime commitment. Each one of us has a different character or trait. But through marriage, you will feel that life would be happier if you will be together to achieve your dreams in life. It is my hope that your love for each other will last forever. Along with that love is to respect each other, especially in dealing with plans, trust each other, and live each day happily. Timothy and Rosel, when you enter into marriage, life would be different, unlike when you are still single. The concept of whatever is mine, and whatever is yours will no longer apply. You need to share whatever one has, especially when pain, sorrow, and trials in life comes. There should be no regrets when trouble comes. Learn to appreciate things, that happiness spent together is greater than sorrow. You must understand that marriage is not a joke. It is a lifetime commitment and doesn't expire. Although Sir Timothy is a funny guy, no? But marriage is not a joke.
No.
Yeah, there should be no turning back because marriage is sacred and it is blessed and sanctified by God. To the groom, Timothy, please repeat after me. I, please state your name,
Timothy Michael Gush,
declares myself
declares myself
as single,
as single,
not attached,
not attached,
nor committed to anyone,
nor committed to anyone,
and have decided
have decided
to enter into marriage
to enter into marriage
with
Rose Olamina.
Thank you so much. To the bride, Rosel, please repeat after me. I, please state your name,
Rosel Olamina,
declares myself
declares myself
as single,
as single,
not attached,
not attached,
nor committed to anyone,
nor committed to anyone.
and have decided
I decided
to enter into marriage
to enter into marriage
with
with Timothy Michael Gush.
Thank you so much. Groom and bride, please face each other and hold your hands together while you give your promises to each other. let's go first with the group. Timothy, is there something you wanted to say to Rosel?
Number one, loving wife, friend. I myself promise to love you, to cherish you, to honor you, to respect you, to obey you also, to listen, to understand the differences we have, to always, always keep my promises, to make you proud that you are my wife, to make me proud that I am your husband. I love you with all my heart. I've been waiting for this day for many, many, many years, and I'm grateful to have you by my side for the eternity of life.
Thank you so much. What a very emotional and very sincere words from Sir Timothy. Thank you so much, sir. To Rosel, your response?
So, my husband, I promise to you to stay forever. There is another one. And I love you so much.
Thank you so much. Very short but very sweet. Yeah. Okay. Timothy, please put the ring at the tip of the finger of Rosel Olamina. Only at the tip, okay? And please repeat after me. Please state the name of the bride.
Rose Aluminium,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my commitment to you.
of my commitment to you,
That every time
that every time
you will see this,
you will see this,
please remember
please remember
that I will love you,
that I will love you,
I will respect you,
I will respect you,
and I will be with you
and I will be with you
till the end
to the end
of our lives.
of our lives.
Please put the ring. Thank you so much. To Ma'am Rosel, the bride, please put the ring at the tip of the finger of Sir Timothy Michael, and please repeat after me. Please state the name of the group. The group.
Timothy, Michael Dash,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my commitment to you.
of my commitment to you.
That every time
That every time
you will see this,
you will see this,
please remember
please remember
that I will love you,
that I will love you,
I will respect you,
I will respect you,
and I will be with you
I will be with you
till the end
till the end
of our
of our
lives.
lives.
Push. It's okay.
We already catching you. You cannot run.
Now it's in. It ain't coming off
That's good. It's not right?
Oh no, no, no.
Okay, very good. Aras or coins? Originally, there was an understanding of husband as a breadwinner and wife as a homemaker. So the coins were given and received not in spirit of reciprocity, but in give and take relationship. Coins are a reminder of good stewardship for all couples, that they will mutually support each other, their children, and the world around them. May God bless these coins that symbolize mutual support and responsibility. Sir Timothy, kindly accept with two hands these coins and put it above on the two hands of Ma'am Rosel. Okay, and please repeat after me. Please state the name of the bride.
Rose Aluminium,
I give you this
I give you this
as a pledge
as a pledge,
of my dedication to you,
my dedication to you,
the care of our home
the care of our home
and the welfare
and welfare
of our children.
and the welfare of our children.
Kindly give the coins to Ma'am Rosel and put your two hands under her two hands. Ma'am Rosel, please repeat after me. I
I
accept them
accept them
in the same way,
and same way
pledge my dedication to
my
you,
dedication to you,
the care of our home
the care of me,
and welfare of our children.
and welfare of our children.
Please return the coins, and Sir Timothy, please put the coins in your pocket. Okay. Okay.
I actually got money back.
You will return the money, plenty of money. Okay? Just joking. Just kidding. Okay, so before my pronouncement, my wish for you, Timothy and Ma'am Rosella, is that you will have a good and strong, healthy relationship, marry, and also you will have a very happy family. And whatever trials and obstacles are you going to face, I hope that you will always remember what you have promised to each other on this day. Okay, Sir Timothy, Michael, Gash, and Rosel Olamina, after you have committed each other into marriage in front of your parents and the witnesses, I, Alvin Villar Truita, by the power vested in me by law, I hereby declare you, Timothy Michael Bosch and Rosel Olamina, officially married. It is my hope and prayer that the newlywed will prosper and will stay with each other in happiness and abundance of blessings. I hope that the promises and commitment you have made today will be forever. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Bosch, the married couple. Congratulations. The room, okay. The camera is still recording. Please face each other. Timothy, okay. On my view, you may now kiss the bride. Oh. Again. Okay, you may please sit down and we will affix your signatures to the certificate of marriage.
Check.
Okay. You have one pen? Okay.
My other reading glasses.
Yeah. Na-record ba ka ito?
Na-record to.
Na-record to PR. Very good, very good.
Na-record na lang.
Okay, busog ta. Sige po. Paki-guide. Son, i-guide sila. Ano? Usap.
Boyfriend.
Yeah, boyfriend.
Yeah. Now we need to bring a ball pen.
Yeah. Naka-record na, Ate Glenn. Okay.
Ay, very good. Ikurbaan ko. Basi pag-usap ta.
Naka-record na siya, Ate Glenn.
Yeah.
Signature.
We waited 5 years.
5 years.
We stayed together for 5 years. to make
5
sure.
years and counting.
Yeah. We waited 5 years
To the
make sure.
infinity and beyond.
You got it.
So you're living in Gasile? Or
Yeah, we just built, we had a home in Tagawi, we built that home, and then
Wow.
we sold that one, and we decided to move a little bit further out to cooler weather. So
Yeah,
we just
that's-
finished building our other home.
That's a very good decision, sir.
Yeah.
Silingan silang kuwan na ning Dr. Greco.
Right here.
Rico.
Di?
Oo.
Glenda si Brady.
Doctor sa ako.
Yes.
Kaya na mo.
Siya kami
Yes.
may yang
Broker.
kanang broker.
Ay, okay, nakapalit sila dito sa
Yes.
bus.
Kanilas ka sili.
Kasi ne?
Oh,
Yes,
bakit dito
katong
sa mayor?
Cemented Road.
Sabi bus, kasi
Kasi-
4,600 kapit nila may
Concert lang, gaplano na sila sa one din.
Wala pa yung di ba karoon ng mayor?
Yuta pa.
Oo, yung tagal.
4,600 plus.
Mo din ni sulti siya na ko na
Si-
may kuan vice magbaron niya kung equipment.
Witnesses.
Oo.
Witnesses.
Yun to siya nga, invent ni mo si Fervis kay sila.
Yeah, oo. I invited them before.
Katabi na sila din.
On the christening of my youngest.
This one.
Fervis si
Or birthday of my twin. I forgot.
Ngayon si
Twins, congratulations.
Oh. They're already 4 years old.
Okay,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Old girls.
I have
And the youngest is also girl. So 3 girls.
So I have 3 girls. This one right there, and then we have 2 more. We have they're twins.
Are they
Also- No, 2 of them are in school right now.
Oh, I see.
She decided to stay. She wanted to be with us today.
Really? Nice.
Yeah, they yeah.
Di ba rin ginaglag na?
That's good to see.
Yep. They're my adopted daughters.
Can you adopt me also? Wala.
I
I have two daughters in America. I have two daughters in America. But they're older, you know, they're doing their own. I would never have it any other way.
They already have their own
Yeah,
family.
families, you know, married, but I was
So
like,
you're living the life.
you're living their life, and it's. I missed having kids in my house. I missed it. They drive us crazy, but I wouldn't have it no other way.
You're already accomplished.
Yeah, I would not have it no other way at all. I love it. They
Yeah.
drive us crazy, but it's great. I love the sound of kids in the house.
Well, yeah. It eliminates our stress. No?
Sometimes,
Yeah.
sometimes it eliminates, sometimes it
creates
adds.
stress.
But you know, it evens out. It's
Yeah.
all for the best.
More of happiness.
Yes. Yes.
So let's have so the marriage certificate is already done, and we will have our photo opportunity.
Okay.
First, the three of us, and next is the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, your daughter. Okay. So, alayo mo sa. Security po ni Son. Video lang Son. Okay. Sir, you're here. Okay, I'm in the middle. Okay. All right. So, okay.
Akin tabi yun.
Ay, ako lang sa akin. Wala na mo.
You come up
Sige,
to
sige. Okay, sige.
Mayroon lang ang picture tayo yun.
Okay. So, para makasali si, ikaw naman.
Okay, very happy.
And
You get to be a part of this train wreck.
take a picture, only the two of you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. It's worth the wait.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Alright? Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mayor.
Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for being with us on this joyous day.
Yes, sir. Okay. Mayor, thank you. Thank you. Regards na po nito.
Kita-kits po ko.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, now po yung
God bless. You can have my camera. Wait, I want to get a picture. Hey, congratulations, guys!
Congratulations.
Same thing!
Oh, same day!
Congratulations, Rose.
Congratulations!
Yep. There you go, man.
Yeah.
Yep. Dress for the funeral?
I told her this was the last one.
Yeah, this is it. This, I told her the same thing. This is it. I'm done. I'm done. You know what? I said, you know what? I'm done. No more. No more.
No more na.
No more now. It's a relief. It's
You're lang ka mo.
Yeah.
That's more than enough
Gusto mo
time.
nga naman
I said, I wanted to make sure because, you know, you hear some nightmares, man.
Yeah. I wanted to
Exactly.
engage them.
Roslyn, witness. Witness o mama o papa, parents. Manihaw ra kung bayan. Kare bayan sa lahat. Sa office ha. Then manong bayan atong resibo kanito sa NCR. Ang Oo, niya makadala ko. So, yung buhatan naman na sa gada yun, bayad sa 200 pesos sa solemnization. Then, human yung nanay resibo, kauban na ni ato sa LCR para mapadala na mong uli para wala na atrasay. Ato meron dito. Nara din sa kapadra. 200.
Inala lang mo sa LCR na.
Kauban sa resibo. Sige na ma'am. Okay.
Char, mermaid na siya.
Aw, kaning anda.
Are you a mermaid?
All right.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's go. Now they're stamping the paperwork and making it 100, 110, 10,000% official. Without these people here, none of this would have happened. Without this staff here, preparing all the paperwork. Here it is. Everything's recorded. Triple recorded. Official stamp.
Anak ko nung 5 kalubas to as Ecuador, nag 5 kalubas to as US. Sorry, ano siya? Yan ako, yan mga papel ko, hindi na ko muna mag-imat. 5 kalubas to as US, 5 kalubas to as Ecuador. 5 kalubas to as Ecuador. Kaya dati mo, sulod ka, was lagi sa istorya. Ulit nga ako. Or nasa ako ba ako?
Ma'am, naka-contact number mo? 09
0905
542 ayun.
Yep. Beautiful day today. And it's a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Okay. Could we all get a picture of you guys together? Because without you, the main.
Get it?
Got it.
Akin ang franchise.
Got it.
National White
Si Paano ko sila Timothy na
Picture mo with the star.
Yeah, pagmonte. Diri ka, diri ate Blake. Da sila